Hi, my name is John Weymouth, and today I'm going to talk to you about service and what we do in the world of Alcon Centurion systems. We had a customer call us that had a problem. These machines were in storage for about a year, and they needed them to be checked out to make sure they're working. So they decided to ship them to us because we will do depot service as well. This saves a lot of the money that we use for traveling. So anyway, they got them to us here. We plugged them in and neither one would work. One was just totally dead and the other one had so many errors in it, it was crazy. I did a little research, talked to them, and sure enough, they had been sitting for over a year in storage. So that told me they weren't plugged in, all of the batteries were drained. So first thing we did, we took them apart, we replaced all the batteries in the system, the 12-volt batteries, the CPU batteries. There's 2 CPU batteries for each unit. So as soon as we did that, they powered up. Of course, the dates were old. We reset them, everything, got it all cleaned and working, and they passed through their tests with no problems. So that's what you want to make sure. You want to make sure these machines are left plugged in, and if they are, that'll solve a lot of the issues. So if you have any questions on the world of service for Alcon Centurions or any of the Alcon products, give us a call. We'd be happy to take care of you. And if you are seeing an old machine that's sitting in your closet you haven't used for a few years, call us up, we'll take it off your hands. So if you want to see any more of our videos, subscribe below and we'll take care of you. Thank you so much.